before the empty tomb, there was Shechem, a city carved between mountains, a place of covenant, a land where Abraham first heard the promise, where Joshua called a nation to choose, where history and prophecy collided. But what if Shechem holds more than memories? What if hidden within the Hebrew letters, etched into ancient valleys, embedded in the very first verse of Genesis, lies a supernatural signature pointing to Golgotha? Unearthing the mysteries of ancient Shechem is a spiritual excavation unlike any other.